Alright, moving on. Not much in here, it's pretty light. Definitely not a head. Ooh, look at that. I like the packing material. It's a Bud Ugly Matchless, I think. But it's old. I like old. Oh, BSA up there. It says BSA. It didn't look like a BSA to me. Doesn't have the cover on the top. Must be an earlier one. Must be a 50s variation, not a 60s variation. 1988 Walnecks. There you go. And no, I didn't buy this. It came with the junk. So, you want to get your Harley Davidson Vincent motorcycle, this is where you go to get it. And Baxter Cycle over there in Maine. Oh, Maine, Iowa. Those are like right next door to each other, aren't they? Ooh, what was that? Oh, I like that. There's a real motorcycle there. Yeah, it looks like a Harley Davidson. That is definitely a 70, or I mean 7, damn it. That is an early 20s looking vehicle to me. What year are they calling this stupid thing? Yeah, it's a JD, because it's a 74 means a JD, in case you didn't know. JD. $320 for that bike, brand new. They don't give me the year. It's got lights on it. That's got to be electric lights. That's got to be 25 or 6. I don't know how early they had electric lights. Is that electric light? That might not be an electric light. It's got a tail light on it. Maybe it's like a 25 maybe? Looks pretty old to be a 25, but it might be. Doesn't say. There's no year. What year is this thing? Let me know. I'm not really good on 20s bikes. I know what that is. There's a WR there. I know what that is. Got the 47 badge on it. Not 46. 47 badge. There's a VL 34. That's a real motorcycle. That's what replaced the JD. And you got a 45er over here. Panhead over there. Ooh, a stupid Indian. 57. Oh, they're calling 58. Oh, it's got the cut like that. 58. It's also swing arm bike. Yeah. Garbage. Who'd want that? So that's like my RL, except it's a bigger bike. Then you got a modern soft tail thing. These are good for old pictures. I like this. Wanted. He wants one of these. A 1937 Belgium FN model. M12. Yeah, I know damn well it's got to be English, that ugly looking, but Belgium's close to English. It's like the same thing almost, right? Has a Wankel motor. Those weren't around very long. Garbage. A VW Bug. How does that come into a motorcycle publication? There's a Honda 250 Dream. Yeah, there you go. Alright, well there's some real bikes in here. Mostly it's a bunch of crap. Let's see, what's this piece of crap? Here's a Panhead. Looks like about a 64. 63. He wants $2,000 cash. Like in real money. Oh, he's in San Diego too. He's nearby. I'll go pick it up. Oh no, he's got 8,000. What is it? 2,000 or 8,000? Oh, he wants 8 here and he wants 2 down here. I like the 2 better. Maybe it's $2. Oh, there's not enough zeros there though. What else $2 for? That's got a comma in it. Not a point. Oh well. 8,000, but that's way too much money. Guy's dreaming. Oh, something like this one down here is a Harley Sprint. It's a catalog. 12 bucks. Man, we don't care about catalogs. We want a real bike. Yeah, well. Yep. I don't think I make them like this anymore. Is that a little pea shooter there? Yep. Pretty much. It's not a pea shooter. Pea shooter is a real race bike. It's just a street bike. Stripped down. 26 to 29. B singles, maybe, I think they called those. I don't know. I'm not good before 30. Here's a full dress pant at 65. 40,000 original mine. Only $4,000. There you go. Yep. Good stuff. Give you something to drool over. Alright, there's nothing else. There's no more Harleys in here. We don't care about this foreign stuff. Yep. Nothing else of any value in here. Alright, there you go. Old Time Magazine.